Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared this simple grapes shikanji. Grape shikanji is very good for summer season, especially for digestion and people who want to have a refreshing drink but yet very healthy. This is the best option. So here I've washed and reserved grapes. This is green grapes I'm using, and this is seedless. So this is a regular local variety grapes that we get here, and I've cleaned all the stems, washed it twice. Now I've added it to a mixer jar. So how much grapes I've taken, like if it's 1.5 cups of grapes, I'll be using 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now I've also added sugar. We'll just grind this into a smooth paste. Once I've ground it into a smooth paste, using a sieve, I've added the ground paste to a sieve, and I'm going to start straining it. We will extract all that juice from the grapes, and you will get a concentrate. So from that concentrate we have to start preparing our grape shikanji. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, along with a detailed blog post and my social media handle links, will be in the description box below this video. I've also posted the same recipe in Tamil language. My Tamil channel link will also be in the description box below this video. Now you can see we have this grape juice, which is a concentrate. Now I'll be adding the concentrate to a serving glass. We'll add lime juice, and I'm going to be adding a masala spice mix. So what is that masala spice mix? It's chili powder, pepper powder, cumin powder, chaat masala and salt. I've added 1/4 teaspoon of that masala powder, everything combined, and I've added lime juice. Now we'll add just regular soda. You can also use ginger ale or tonic water. Here I'm using regular club soda. So here I've added the club soda and it's ready to serve. You just have to serve it right away. You can add ice cubes or serve this in regular room temperature. I've added ice cubes and I'm going to be serving it. This is a very simple and healthy recipe. Give this recipe a try, friends, and post your comments. This is excellent for digestion, and people who want to eat something savory, this is a perfect drink. I hope you all enjoyed this video recipe. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes, friends. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, do share it with your friends also. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.